Hey everyone, Catherine here, and I have a special occasion, Rent the Runway, so stick around and we're going to dive into this. I know it has been a long time since I've done a video, and that is because I really haven't had anywhere to go. I hate the cold, I hate the winter, and even though I live in North Carolina, we still get a snippet of winter, and so I tend to hibernate. But we are going to a dance. It's a benefit dance on Saturday, next Saturday. So I got some dresses from Rent the Runway and I wanted to share them with you. We'll go ahead and dive in, and I got a new camera, and I noticed that the battery doesn't last near as long as whenever I filmed with my phone. So if it suddenly goes blank, I'll have to pick up where I left off. Okay. And they are all on hangers. I love how Rent the Runway packages their stuff. There's my little label to send everything back. And they are all dresses because I like to wear dresses and I have to be mindful of us dancing. So that's the other piece of it. Okay, we got some hot stuff here. Have to bear with me as I get the plastic open. Like I said, I do love how Rent the Runway packages their clothing. Very pretty. So this is kind of a blue velvet or velour. And it's obviously got the cutout. So we are going to give this a try. It's kind of a midi length. I got my little rack here we can hang things on. And then another dress. I got some sparkly dresses too. Keep checking to make sure it's recording because I'm just getting used to this camera. And I wanted to tell y'all, so another reason I haven't been making a whole lot of videos is I'm focusing on my scrapbooking channel. So let me tell you about that in a minute. Oh, sparkly, sparkly. Wow. It's got, look, does it have a lining underneath? No. Yes, it does. Well, that's in the back. Okay. Very pretty and sparkly. And at this ball, we go to this ball every year, and they have a band called Phat City, P-H-A-T, and they are so good. We dance all night. I'm not kidding you. We dance all night. We even dance when the band takes a break. They put music on and we all line dance. So it's just nonstop dancing. Oh, pretty. Now, this one, I read that you can't wear a bra, but I would probably, what I was planning on doing is wearing a shell underneath because I'm not going without a bra. And so it's going to be really short, I'm afraid, but we're going to give it a try. And I know you probably can't, maybe you can't tell on camera. When I get a little closer, you'll be able to tell. It's like a animal print, but teal. It's teal and black animal print. It's very shiny. And this one kind of reminded me of fall, but I still like how classy it looked. So I think it would do just fine for a winter dance. Oh, back to my scrapbooking channel. So I create books. And I have been for a while, I create scrapbooking paper books that I sell on Amazon and cut and collage books. And I've started creating junk journal pages and ephemera books. And I would love y'all just to go and check out that channel because I just started trying to build that up. And if you could just hop over and see what it's like. I'll put the link down below and let me know what you think. Very pretty. And This one's kind of, this looks so classy. It's kind of, the rest of them are all bodycon, but this one's a little looser on the bottom. So the biggest thing with that is when you're dancing, you got to make sure when you spin, it's not going to fly up too much. And I think it's a good length that it won't do that. So I wish you could feel this. It is so soft. And I'll read the details as I'm, oh, this is gorgeous. It just looks like luxury. But I'll read the details to you as I'm trying them on and deciding which one I'm going to wear. And y'all can help me. Help me decide. One last one, then we're going to get to the try-on part. Ooh, very sparkly too. Oh yeah, green. If I picked green, I must have. Oh, it's kind of a blue. Oh, it's blue. Yes. Isn't that pretty? So sparkly. And I read the comments, and most of them say that the sequins aren't scratchy, because, you know, sometimes you get those sequins clothes and they're scratchy. Okay, now we're going to have some fun trying these on. So I'm trying these on in the opposite order of how we opened them. So this was the last one. This is the blue. It's like a navy blue and very sparkly. It fits pretty well. It's got a little bit in the back here at the waist. It bulges a little bit, and I don't like that. But the length, I was afraid it was going to be too short, and it's really not. I do like the length. So I'll get up close so you can see the sparklies. See how it sparkles? Isn't that pretty? I mean, it's okay, and it's a fairly good fit. It has that little scalloped area there. I mean, if it was the only one I had, I think it would be doable and it would work. But we have more to try on, so let's try the next ones on. Oops, I'm back. I'm still in the blue dress. I forgot to read the details, so let's do that. This is, oh, it's Parker Philippa dress, size 6, and it would retail for $338, so very nice dress. This dress feels like $1,000,000. I mean, this material is just gorgeous and luxurious. I like the dress, but there's something really weird at the top. When I put it on, and I kept thinking, did I have it on wrong? There's this knot here at the waist. I don't know if you can see it that well, but there's a knot here, and then you have to hook it inside. Now, I kept thinking I had it on wrong because it just feels weird. So I take it off and try to reposition, but I don't know. That's anything I don't like, but it's very pretty. And like I said, the material is just wonderful. I'll have to get to the more details so that I can tell you what the material is. But, and it's got this uneven hem. It also has, I like that it has, well, I thought the lining was right there. It's got a lining, which I really like, because then I think it'd be okay for dancing. And it's just so soft. But the top just fits kind of weird, or it feels weird. It might not look weird, but it just feels weird. So I don't know what that's all about. Let me tell you about this dress. It's I don't know how you would say this, Maje, and it's the Rively dress. And so it's a French size 38, which is like our size 4 to 6 in US. And this would be $413 retail. Let me see if I can get to, it's funny how this app doesn't take me to where I can find, oh, here we go. This might tell me more. Black velvet, 100% polyester. You know, polyester is soft. I know there's some polyester haters out there, but it can be so soft. So it says long sleeves, plunge neck. Yeah, something weird. Back zipper closure. And so that's this. I'm not sure now. I mean, I like it. I really love the flow of it and the material, but it's just like I feel all night like I'd be trying to reposition the top. So let me know what you think. I'm in love. I love this dress. It is just so different and so beautiful. You'll have to let me know what you think, but I really, really like it. The fit is wonderful. It fits like a glove. I would need Charlie's help to make sure I get all of the snaps in the back because it has a zipper up to here. Well, here I've got my belt on. And then it's got snaps in the back. And I need to make sure my cami, I think the tag's sticking out, it would need to be fixed. But otherwise, I think it's got pockets, which is kind of unusual. But not that I could get my hands, both hands in there at the same time because of the fit, but I really, really like this. You'll have to let me know what you think. I just think it's so elegant and elevated. Yeah, the material makes it sexy. So I really like this one. I think this is probably what I'm going to end up wearing. Let me show you. Oh, the cuffs just came undone. Show you the material up close. I don't know why that cuff just came undone, but see the pretty cuffs and that material? I like the neck. Very beautiful. And this is my belt, so it's okay without a belt, but I think this really accentuates it. So without the belt, I mean, it's fine without the belt too. I will wear different hosiery though, because these, I thought all the dresses were going to come below. But anyway, I think this is the one. We still have what? 3 more. Still 3 more to try on, so we'll have to see. Maybe it's not the one. Okay. Let's read about this. And it kicked me out of my app. All right. This is, let's find it on here. This is called Ronny Kobo. Ronny is spelled R-O-N-N-Y, and then Kobo, K-O-B-O. It's a velvet leopard. Let me read the rest of it. I hate how the app does this. Oh well. It's a velvet leopard something, and it's a size 6, I believe. No, size 4. Oh, so I got a size 4 in this? I guess the review said that it runs large. But anyway, I just love it. So this will probably be the one. And we've got 3 more. We're on number 4 of 6. So this is the black sequin dress, and they were right. It's not itchy at all. It feels really nice and smooth. I also thought I would wear my belt with this one. And it's funny, Charlie just came home and he said that I need to have a wardrobe change every hour at the dance so I can wear all these dresses. So hard to choose. Went through this at Christmas, if y'all watch me for our Christmas dances. It's like trying to decide. Well, I'm trying to get this belt. There we go. So I love this belt. I think I got it from like Boston Proper years ago, and I wear it with so many things. It's just so beautiful and dressy. But this one, I mean, it is beautiful. It's very classy. It's your typical little black dress. I just don't know, after trying on that leopard print one that's so unique, I think I'm probably still going to go with that one. But there's nothing wrong with this one. Maybe I'll find another occasion in the meantime. We have our Valentine's dance coming up this Friday, but I already have my red sequin skirt I'm going to wear that I own. I'm going to wear that one. All right, so let me tell you about this. This is the Boss. It's Boss, B-O-S-S, Apoletta dress, $398 retail, and mine is size medium, so it comes in small, medium, and large. Pretty dress, but still I'm leaning towards the teal animal print. Okay. This one is okay, but it's definitely not my favorite. It's probably my least favorite so far. I mean, like I said, it's okay. It's nothing all that exciting. I thought it would be with the little cutout and all, but nah, it's not really. At least not to me. So, and I don't really think it'd be that fun to dance in. I mean, this might be good, like, to go out to a fancy dinner or something like that. Not that we go out to fancy dinners, but, you know, might be good for that. I shouldn't say that. Maybe once or twice a year we do, so I should not say that. We do, but not very often. Not as often as we dance, so, yeah. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I was worried about, like, where it cut off, if I could wear a regular bra, but you can. You can still wear a regular bra with this, which I do appreciate. But, again, nothing that exciting to write home about. Maybe if it was a different color, I don't know. Let me read to you about this. Oh, this is Ronnie Cobo too. This is velvet cutout dress. It would retail for $375. And this is a size medium. It comes in extra small all the way up to extra large. And it looks great on the people that did the reviews, but I don't know. I don't think it's that exciting. Let me know what you think. We are down to the last dress. And although this is a lovely dress, I don't think it's right for this occasion, and it would be great in the fall, which I'll probably try to remember this one and get it in the fall. It fits great. I mean, it's a bodycon, but it's not tight at all. It has a lot of give, and it's soft. The material's very soft. Fits beautifully and feels great. So there's nothing really wrong with it, but I just don't think it's right for this occasion, really, for dancing. And a lot of the reviews, they have said that it's big in the top, which it is. See, it's got that looser fit in the top. And most people opted for a belt, which I think a gold belt would be better, but I have this one. It's a little more simpler than that last one. But, you know, that would work, but it's just really probably not what I'm going to wear. And I would wear, with this dress, I would probably wear like nude hosiery or something like that. You know, maybe suntan or something, but definitely not black. Anyway, so this is the last one, but I can't tell you, I mean, as I'm standing here talking, it's so comfortable. This dress is the most comfortable of all of them that I put on. So, I don't know. That's important too. But let me know what you think about all these dresses. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me read to you about this one. This is, oh, wrong rental. Let's see, there we go. This is Nicole Miller. And it's a velvet mini dress. $345 retail. This is size 6. And it is very lovely. Again, like I said, I would wear this to some other occasion, and it is just incredibly comfortable. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one you would wear, which one you think I should wear, and then when I do another video, another clothing video, I'll tell you which one I ended up wearing. And also, I would be so excited if you would go over to my scrapbooking YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link below. Just hop on there and say hi. I would love that. And you never know, you might like scrapbooking. Maybe you already do it. I mean, those of us who love beautiful clothes love lots of things that are beautiful. So anyway, thanks again for watching. I'm glad to be back.